How to scan QR code in Roblox. First things first is access your Roblox account or your Roblox application. Then once you access it, just simply log into your account. And from here, all you have to do is just simply press on your profile. And then on the lower left corner of your screen, you will be able to see the QR icon. Just press on that. And from here, you'll be able to see your QR code. If you want this QR code to be sent to someone, just simply take a screenshot by pressing the power button and volume down all at once, just like that. And then if you want to scan someone's QR code, all you gotta do is just simply press the QR scan code located at the top right corner of your screen, like this one. Just simply point this camera to someone's QR code and it will automatically route to their profile. So that's basically how you scan QR code on Roblox.